Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations with a briefing. We have some low clouds, some mist across the area this morning, seeing much lighter winds than we saw yesterday. Seeing some northeasterly winds this morning, around 6 to 13 knots or so across the area. Going to see more easterly flow today across the area. So another day of onshore flow. That's going to cap our highs today in the mid-70s, as well as abundant low cloudiness. We'll see a chance of a shower and a slight chance of a thunderstorm once we move into the late afternoon, the evening hours today. But for the daytime hours today, just going to continue to see this low cloud, possibility of some mist in the area, especially in the morning hours, and that slight chance we see some showers once we move in the afternoon and evening. Moving into our current surface analysis, we do have a warm front just off the coast, an area of low pressure that gave our area those strong winds as well as rainfall yesterday, well off to our north and east. We're going to see this warm front kind of remain stationary right along the coast today and then slowly move inland once we move in the evening and overnight hours. Most models actually showed this moving through last night, but has remained off the coast and will slowly move in the area today. That's going to keep us in the low cloudiness today, as well as limit our instability, so the chances of thunderstorms will be much lower than was expected for today with the forecast from yesterday. So looking at our current observation, overcast deck at 500 feet, 1.5 mile statute visibility with some mist across the area. Seeing those winds out of the northeast around 8 knots. Temperature 67 degrees and relative humidity at 94%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, see lots of cloud coverage across the area. That boundary is currently across North Carolina, then just off the coast, but all areas north and west of that, including Wallops, socked in with the low clouds this morning, and not going to see much of that lift for the afternoon hours, with the possibility of seeing some ceilings around 1,500 feet for the late afternoon hours. But it looks like we're going to see this low cloudiness across the region for much of the day today. And taking a look at our current lightning as well as radar imagery, you can see we do have some lightning currently across the Carolinas, but overall just some scattered isolated showers across the Mid-Atlantic region, and not going to see really any chances of rainfall until we move into the afternoon, evening hours today, as I mentioned. And taking a look at that herd model for today and derived reflectivity, you can see those showers across North Carolina dissipating as they move towards the region, the more stable atmosphere that we have across our area. Moving in the afternoon hours today, could see rain showers early as 2 p.m. with 1400 local, but most likely that'll hold off until the evening hours. You can see here the HER brings in some showers and possibly embedded thunderstorms once we move past about 20 local. Looks like the best chance of seeing some thunderstorms today between 18 and 2200 local, so during the evening hours. And once that moves north of the area, we'll see that boundary start to shift over the area, and we'll see some chances of showers, thunderstorms through the overnight hours. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, high around 75 degrees today, low tonight in the evening hours around 68 degrees, and temperatures rising overnight into the lower 70s. We'll see those northeasterly winds switching to the east or east-northeast this afternoon, fairly light, only 6 to 11 knots, but the strongest one this morning at 7 to 12, gust to 18. See our best chance of rainfall during the late afternoon, evening hours, as I mentioned, with an orange here. So should see some showers in the region, across the region, with a slight chance of a thunderstorm at 20%. We'll see a 40% chance of a thunderstorm between 1800 and 2200 local this evening. Overnight, we'll continue to see some slight chances of thunderstorms and showers in the region with that warm front over the area. We'll see a 20% chance of a thunderstorm. And once we move into after Friday 8 local, looks like we'll have a disturbance moving through the region, giving us a 40% chance of a thunderstorm. Our 24-hour terminal forecast looking like those low clouds I mentioned sticking in the region today, moving up to about 1,000 feet by 1,400 local, but still a chance we see an overcast deck around 700 feet. Once we move into the late afternoon and evening hours after 1,600 local, should see a broken deck around 1,500 feet with those chances of showers and thunderstorms increasing once we move into the evening hours, as I mentioned. Our tides are 1 to 2 feet above normal. And Friday into Saturday, Friday, mostly cloudy, slightly breezy and humid with a good chance of showers and thunderstorms, a high of 80. Friday night, chance of lingering shower or thunderstorm, otherwise mostly cloudy to overcast with low clouds likely, low of 70. And for Saturday, low clouds in the morning, becoming partly cloudy with isolated showers and thunderstorms by the afternoon, a high of 82 degrees. We'll see those chances high-end orange here for Friday with the rainfall, as well as a good chance of some thunderstorms within 10 nautical miles. Looks like Friday is going to be an active day across the region for showers and thunderstorms, before we see just some slight chances or isolated showers and thunderstorms for Saturday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock for the next 7 days.